Hi, I'm Kimberly Patterson, and if you're ready to dive into candle making, you're in the right place. Today, I'm walking you through exactly what you need to get started with candle making, just the solid basics. If you want to stick around for sublimation supplies, that is in the second half. No labels, because we're artists, right? A quick disclaimer, I am sharing with you what I have tested and what I personally use. Every candle maker makes decisions on what vessel, wax, wick, and fragrance work for them. These are my recommendations based on a year plus of testing. There are many combinations that work depending on your priorities. For example, I like luxury vessels and an easy clean burning wax, which highly influenced my final decisions. Let's get into it. Step 1. Start with your candle vessel. First up, your candle vessel. This is the container your candle will live in. I personally use 12-ounce and 8-ounce Aura vessels from Makesy. Gorgeous finishes, sturdy glass, and sublimate and engrave beautifully. I also use 8-ounce straight-sided glass jars from Amazon, and even tin candles work great if you're just getting started or testing. Choose something heat-safe and thick enough to handle the heat. The design and color of the vessel also impact your candle's aesthetic and glow. Step 2. Choose your candle wax. Wax affects your scent throw, burn time, and even how your candle sets. Here are your top options. Which wax should I use? Whether you're just starting out or experimenting with new blends, I've got you covered. Let's compare the waxes from 3 major suppliers: Makesy, Candle Science, and the Flaming Candle. First up, Makesy. Makesy has free shipping over $150 and often has 20% off sales. Buy like this and your cogs will love you. Makesy is all about innovation and clean luxury. Here's what they offer. Virgin coconut soy, a clean burning favorite. Smooth tops, great hot throw, and amazing jar adhesion. Cocoa apricot creme, this is the diva of waxes. Creamy, vegan, and a dream to pour. Beeswax cocoa creme combines beeswax with coconut wax for a natural glow. Hemp cocoa soy, you heard that right, hemp wax. It's eco-forward and super unique. Supernatural soy, 100% soy option if you're keeping it pure. Deluxe satin soy, smooth finish, great scent throw, beginner friendly. Pure palm paraffin, a blend with paraffin and responsibly sourced palm. And yes, they also have a wax sampler if you want to try a few before committing. Next, Candle Science. Candle Science is super popular with candle makers of all levels. Here's their lineup. Golden Brands 4 and 64 and 444 soy waxes, both soy-based with 444 having a higher melt point for warmer climates. Golden Wax 415, no additives, great for creating your own blends. Eco Soya CB Advanced, great color retention and resists frosting. Soymax M124B, all natural, smooth burning, coconut apricot wax, single pour ease with amazing fragrance performance. Coco Sol Soy Pillar Wax, specially made for wax melts and pillars. IG 6006 6 of 46 blends paraffin soy and coconut paraffin blends that give you amazing scent throw. And finally, the Flaming Candle. Affordable, reliable, and a wide wax selection. Pro Blend 650, great for tarts and votives, strong scent throw. IGI 6006, 4627, 4630, amazing for containers. Smooth finish, high fragrance load. IGI 4625, 1239, 1260, 1286, and 1290. These paraffin options are perfect for pillars, votives, and molded candles. Yes, I did test most of these waxes and I landed on the Cocoa Apricot Creme wax from Makesy. Always a smooth top, you don't have to wait to pour, and it cures in 72 hours. Win-win. With free shipping and 20% off, this wax is the most economical for me. That was a lot to digest with waxes, but it is your most important decision. Why? Because everything else depends on your wax choice. For wax melting, I highly recommend a wax melting pot. Skip the double boiler method and go straight to the pot. It heats your wax to the correct temperature and no mess or hassle. Don't mix your fragrance in the pot. Mix your fragrance in the beaker. That way you always have clean, fresh wax to use regardless the scent. 3. Choose the right wick. Wicks are tricky. You'll need to test what works with your wax and vessel. After testing all wick types, these are the wicks that work best for my wax choice. I offer my clients both a cotton wick and wood wick option. Premier Wicks sold at Black Tie Barn. These work beautifully with coconut apricot wax. Flaming candle is also a good source for Premier Wicks. Spiral wood wicks from Makesy, gorgeous crackle and premium burn. After testing all of Makesy's wood wicks, this is the one that performs best for me with my wax choice. Other options worth testing: CDN wicks, Eco wicks, both available at Black Tie Barn, Candle Science, and the Flaming Candle. Tip: wick testing is essential. Even the same wax can behave differently in different vessels. Step 4. Pick your fragrances. I've tested over 60 fragrances. This is the fun part, but also a big investment. Most new makers start out with 6 to 10 cents. If you sell online and your customer buys your candle for the design and chooses the fragrance, then giving them a choice list makes sense. Just make sure all the fragrances you offer have passed the burn test. Here are my trusted suppliers in no particular order. The Flaming Candle, great hot throw and reliable shipping. Vanilla Birch, Lavender Vanilla, Pink Grapefruit, and Lemon Verbena are best sellers for me. Black Tie Barn, unique scent blends and high-performance oils, the Bandit, Cranberry Fire, Seduction, and the Graveyard sell well for me. Sensory, small batch, boutique quality oils, complex scents. Neon Cherry, Blackberry Pumpkin, Holiday Home, and Blackberry Fig sell well for me. Candle Science, consistent and beginner-friendly. Black Cherry Merlot, Forest Chai, Apricot Grove sell well for me. Nature's Garden, Fresh Squeezed Orange, Mojito, and Margarita sell well for me. Pro tip: watch for shipping costs. Some suppliers offer bulk discounts or free shipping thresholds. All the fragrances I use are clean-burning, phthalate-free fragrances. 5 other candle-making supplies you'll need. These are your day one tools. You will use a digital scale for measuring your fragrance. Get one that measures to 0.01 green, find on Amazon. Test your wax temp with a thermometer before you pour. Infrared thermometers or candy thermometers work great. You will use a pouring picture to mix your wax and fragrance before pouring into the candle. I prefer glass beakers. If your wick is just a little off-center, your burn test can fail. I don't take any chances. I use Norden wick centering tools for perfect placement. Heat gun. A simple craft heat gun helps fix tops like a pro. You won't need this with cocoa apricot wax, but you will need for sublimation. Want to skip labels? Sublimate instead. If you're like me and want to ditch labels and design directly on your candles, let me introduce sublimation. It's not just beautiful, it's fun, sellable, and sets your candles apart in any market. Top sublimation tools for candle makers, the Candle Artist Way. Sublimation printer. Choose a reliable sublimation printer like the Brother SP1, a converted Epson EcoTank, or a Sawgrass. These are the heart of your design transfer process. Sublimation oven. Use a dedicated sublimation oven like the PYD or similar. This oven automatically shuts off so you don't have to babysit your project. We heat to 390 degrees, bake our candle for 6 minutes, then let it cool for 20 minutes. Never use your kitchen oven. Keep sublimation tools food-free. Sublimation paper. A-Sub is a popular brand, but any high-quality sublimation paper will do. It ensures crisp transfers with vibrant color. Sublimation tape. Use heat-resistant tape to hold your design in place. Go for wide rolls, they're easier to work with and give better hold. Tape dispenser. This one's optional, but once you have this tape dispenser, you'll never go back. It saves time, holds 3 rolls of tape, and automatically cuts your tape into just the right size for 2 of those rolls. Shrink wrap sleeves. Stock up on a variety of sizes to fit your different candle vessels. You'll cut them down to size as needed, so just buy the tube type for tumblers, and it will be fine. Heat gun. Use this to shrink the sleeves evenly before sublimation. A steady heat gun makes a big difference in getting a clean, tight fit. Portable paper cutter. A Cricut or simple sliding paper cutter helps you get clean, straight edges for wraps. No scissors or jagged lines. Butcher paper. Pre-cut sheets help protect your oven from shrink wrap melting on your grate. Always line your trays before baking. Candle vessels. And of course you'll need your white candle jars. Smooth with a matte coating work best. Most matte white candle vessels will sublimate, so if you have one you love, test it. there is probably no need to buy a sublimation blank candle vessel, and those are very limited in size and design, which is why I use the Makesy Aura. Light colors sublimate well too. Final thoughts. That's it, your beginner candle supply checklist. Vessel, wax, wick, fragrance, tools? Whether you're crafting for fun or planning your candle empire, this is how you start strong. And remember, your candle is a blank canvas. Light it up. Thanks for watching The Candle Artist Way. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a new tutorial or candle inspiration. And hey, want to win a free candle? Sign up for our monthly giveaway. I draw one lucky winner on the last day of every month. Use this QR code to enter. Until next time, keep creating, keep glowing, and I'll see you in the next video.